Aloha, this is Sean Marlin coming to you from Hawaii. This video is going to be about StatePipes.Explorer, especially communication status. So, how I'm going to start off is I'm first going to, I have my infrastructure up and running, and you can see that right here. I am going to kick off the a Chrome tab to the um, proxy example solution that we created in an earlier video. And right now, the proxy example service is not running. So I just brought up the Chrome tab and let's open up that communication status. So red here means it's not talking to RabbitMQ. Yellow would mean talking to RabbitMQ but not talking to the service, and green would be talking to RabbitMQ, and talking to the service, obviously. So um, what I'm going to do now is I am going to put the one of the reasons why it's not talking to RabbitMQ is I haven't put in the password and hit connect. So again, getting it from Docker infrastructure start, hit connect, and you can see it's yellow. So it is talking to RabbitMQ. And now I am going to start up the service. And as you can see, it connected to proxy example, and it's also telling us our child proxy, the proxy that we gave the moniker child to, which is talking to the other service, the proxy example.child service, is it's communicating with that service as well through the proxy. Okay, so so that's a way to understand your communication status. Again, I could bring down the service right now, and you're going to see it transition back to yellow. The child proxy goes away because it doesn't know what the status of that is. And again, I can bring it back up, and it will recover. And lastly, one of the main reasons why I have this up here is that I could go and take RabbitMQ down. Let's go back to here, and you see that it goes to red. Even though the service is still up and running, which makes sense, right? You got to communicate through RabbitMQ to talk to the service. And then I bring up the RabbitMQ here, and we'll go back to our page. And it takes a while to recover the communications with RabbitMQ, but not too long, and you will see that it recovers here in about um, should be recovering right about now. Okay, and it did recover, and it recovered communications with the child, with the service itself. So you can see that this is a way you can kind of see the status. Yeah, you have to be a little patient, but all communications will be reestablished, and uh, that's how you define this stuff. So that's all for this video. I'm signing off. Aloha and a hui hou.